gonna lose. I put on this combo. I wanted to surprise you guys for a combo.
Red carpet. Come on, we gotta walk the red carpet.
We're just waiting for everybody to get in here.
We're walking the red carpet.
One time I won with this beautiful combo, so I'm gonna get it. Cause I'm gonna show you my emotes. This is my second emote. Wait. I came in second place with this one. Wait, what's this? Okay. Cancel? I don't know. Who's gonna be first? For round 1, who is it? Oh, I'm up, Ronan. You gotta Ronan, vote for me. I'm A. I'm B. I mean, I'm going to B. Okay.
Okay, vote for B, and then you vote for me. Okay.
Okay. If you next time you go up, I can't believe I got first.
I'm pressing B.
No, you gotta go to B.
Right.
Wait, did you vote for me?
Press B.
How many? No, you didn't have to press B. You gotta go to the thing that said B on top of it.
I didn't know that.
So you didn't vote for me, did it? Oh yeah, I'm going to A. A's like amazing.
I went into this box.
Wait, so you voted for the other person? How dare you?
I went into this box.
Which one?
See me?
Oh, you're up?
No.
Yeah, you are. See me? I'm right here. Everyone voted for the other guy.
Walking around it.
Yeah, I see you. Wait, Ronan, who did you vote for on my round?
Well, I went to this side.
The ones that I'm on?
This side when you were on. Yeah.
You went to that side, good. I gotta go for Raz. He's one of my favorite skins.
My turn. Come on, I want to be up.
You don't go up till the next round.
Oh no! Stop, my homies.
Wait, you're up?
My homies, what's up?
Wait, I thought you were wearing your normal gear. I thought you were this guy.
Did everybody vote for me?
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah, everybody voted.
I'm gonna be in first.
And then you know what, guys? I'm gonna just show you round 2 right now. Round 2, what? I'm up again? Go to B. Go to B, okay?
Emos.
No, wait, wrong emo. Is everybody coming to me?
There's only 2 people like me.
No! Oh, shoot! That person's gonna win. The guy's on a guitar.
I hope I'm next. Everybody's gonna vote for me.
Are you? Oh, you're next!
Oh my god, I literally said I wanted to be next.
And you got next! Do your card emo!
Is everybody voting for me?
Come on, everybody! People, come! Come! No! 2 people voted for you, and 2 people voted for the other team.
Wait, so I won?
No, it was a tie. I'm sorry, I gotta go T-pose. I just ran to the other one. Since you guys saw I'll see you guys on round 3.
I get to share my glider with everybody?
Yeah.
Whee!
Okay, Ronan, quit eating your ice cream. If you guys didn't know, Ronan's eating it. Well, yeah, how would you know? I don't do face review, and you guys have never seen any of our faces. Gavin's, no. Jason's, well, Jason was only in 1 video. My mom's, 1 video. Madeline, 1 video. I might do a face review, guys. I need to get 2 million views if I want to do a face review. That's how I'm doing a face review. My Alexa's going off, so I muted it. that person's gonna win. Hopefully I win! Wolverine!
I wanna win.
I wanna win.
Oh!
Well, you're above voting B. No, show your glider. You need to go on. No, go backwards. Go backwards. No, turn around. Turn around. And you're never gonna win if you're not showing off your glider.
Didn't know.
Well, no one voted for you. Only one other person voted for you. Please be up. Yeah, I'm up. Go to A. Go to A.
What?
It's like matches the purple vibe. Come on, everybody come to me. Is everyone coming to me?
No, only 2 of us are here.
Oh my, yeah, we're never gonna win.
What's the last round?
Round 4. Oh, I'm up again. Come on, Ronan, vote for B. I'm up. Again. Ah, I'm stuck. I'm sad.
Yeah, only 3 people voted for you.
Maybe I'm gonna do the jump rope next round. I'm gonna throw fireworks. Round 4. Rona, come here. Come here.
Wait, what items?
I'm gonna get I'm
Okay,
getting.
wait, a good one.
I got a fireworks. Don't get guns. Guns won't do anything.
Wait, what does rapid fire do? Which one is rapid fire?
That one.
Huh?
Just pick up dynamite. Pick up dynamite before you run out. Just 12 seconds.
Where's dynamite?
Over here. Don't click that button or else we'll delete it.
I got dynamite, bro. Are you up?
best emote ever. Cause Joker.
Wait, don't show your moves!
I'm just showing my viewers.
Yeah, I know which one I'm doing.
But what are you doing?
That's not the one that I'm doing. I'm doing the flip emote.
I love this emote. This is like the best emote, but it doesn't. Condor versus default. Oh, I gotta go default. I love defaults. Except I hate defaults. I'm only going default.
Sorry.
If I'm not next, I'm gonna stop recording until I'm next. Unless you're next.
Are you next?
No. I'll see you guys when I'm now. Or Ronan. Since Ronan's next, like, I guess I gotta go him. I'm flipping a coin.
Did I win?
Yep, you were ahead. So it was against that guy. If they're so good, I'm just not gonna choose. Someone just left, boy. Who's next? Oh, I'll see you guys when I'm next. I'm next, guys. Is everyone coming to me?
There's only... Yeah, like most people are on outside.
Oh, let's go! Honestly, that's not fair. I'll see you guys when round 2. We're round 2 already. But I'll see you guys when I'm next, because I only have 2 minutes left of the video. Are you next, Ronan?
I don't know.
Beep! I'm on beep, okay, guys?
Film!
I am. This is like a really good emo. That person's... Oh, come on. He's doing soccer ball. Wait, am I winning?
Yeah, I think most people were on your side.
I'm gonna see that. Are you next? Ronan's next, so I've unpaused the video, guys. You guys are seeing very little things, because I'm trying to get it for so we can watch 2 rounds.
How many people voted for me?
4 people. I'll see you guys in a sec. So Ronan's up again. If you hear anything, that's my mom.
Stole my glider!
Oh yeah, there's only one other person coming. Nope.
Are you the only person to vote?
No, there's only one other person. I'll see you guys when it's mine, because there's only 2 minutes left.
What side?
Hey! Is everyone voting for me?
Most people are on your side.
Mine? Yes. I'll see you guys next.
Wait.
Hi guys, I'm up.
Oh my god, I just got the best idea.
Dynamite!
You know how some people like throw out things to their fans? What if I threw out fishies to my fans?
Okay. Guys, I'll see you next.
Fishies to my fans!
Guys, oh come on! Bye guys. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye. I'm gonna just wait to see. 3, 2, 1. Bye!